As promised, ideas for an economical Christmas without a holiday spending hangover. I like that, Dr. Mary Ann Campbell. I like the way you say that. And how many of us overshop and then after the holidays we pay the price?
Right, right. So when you think about trimming the tree, trim your list as well, just the people who are really important.
And that's the first thing on our list is called trim the list.
Right. And when you think about being naughty or nice, then be nice with your services. Think about things that you could do, such as babysitting, cleaning up a yard, cleaning up the house, and give coupons for that.
Like make little coupons that...
Absolutely.
That's great for kids, too.
Service. And driving elderly. There's so many things you could do that really help people that they need. So just look around and think about that.
And by the way, before we go any further, I want to tell you, if you go to arkansasmatters.com and you click on the hot button and then click on money gifts, all the websites that we're going to be giving you today and all this information along with Dr. Campbell's contact information is all on there, so you really need to go there. We've listed probably 6 or 7. All right, give of yourself.
Right, and then when you think about that Santa's going to check the list twice, well, check your budget twice this year because it is tighter, and so there's a wonderful new software program on the web called mint.com that is free, that is very popular, that helps you track your budgeting.
All right.
So think of that and use that.
Mint.com. I think we have an example of that. Chelsea, do we have that? Can we go there? There's what it looks like, the best way to manage your money. So you approve of that?
Absolutely. You can use it on your iPhone as well. So it's
use cash locally.
Cash makes a big difference. You don't spend as much. Even if you use an envelope system and put people's names on the envelopes and then take the cash out to get their gifts, etc.
That's a very good tip. Let the internet help you shop. And we have another website here, shopittome.com. And again, all of these are on arkansasmatters.com. What's this one about?
And it helps you comparison shop. So you can put things in there and it takes you to things. Now this next one is something that's really exciting because it can be personal, but it's flexible.
Smart Shopper?
Smart Shopper USA has list. It makes lists.
And there's Smart Shopper.
I was going to do.
Okay, Smart Shopper USA is up there now.
Right, and it's actually a device, electronic device.
All right, and here's the device right here. If we could go to that.
It will contain 2 different lists, and you can toggle between your list, his list, whatever list.
Should I hit print?
Yes, it'll print out.
And on the you said the grocery store. What is? Oh, look at that.
Right.
So it categorizes things.
That's what I like. After you put your list in, then it'll put all the dry goods together, all of the produce together, so whatever you need, you go through the store and you do that.
I'm the efficiency expert, so I absolutely love that. And last but not least, this is one of my favorite things. And if you've never seen this, I last year got one for my son with a picture of me and Britt on it. And I put some money on it so you can get your photo put on a debit card.
This is my beautiful mother, Gladys Briscoe, and this is her Mother's Day present. And you can get them for wedding gifts, Christmas gifts. They're very popular for corporate gifts. And you get them from the giftcardlab.com, and it's on arkansasmatters.com.
We've linked up to that as well. Isn't that a fun idea?
It's a wonderful idea.
Love it.
I just sent one today as a wedding gift because I put their wedding picture on it.
I love that.
Great. And they can use it anywhere, and particularly for young people.
Is that it? Is that it right there? Is that the one that we're talking about, the website for this? Gift cards for the gift card, I guess. So anyway, lots of websites. I know we went through this pretty quickly, but go to arkansasmatters.com. Again, they're all listed right there. And again, Dr. Campbell's contact information as well and her website. Thank you so much. Wonderful ideas.
It's an exciting season coming up.
It is. We're sounding off right after this.
This is KARK4 News at noon.
Dr. Mary Ann Campbell is joining us now, and she is a certified financial planner, and she is here with some wonderful Christmas gift ideas. And by the way, anything that you see here, all the websites we're going to go to, also Dr. Campbell's contact information is all on arkansasmatters.com. Go to arkansasmatters.com, click on the hot button, and then the title says Christmas Ideas 2009. Let's first start off with this. Dr. Campbell, I love this card, and I got one for my son last year. It's a debit card, and you can get your photo and your mom's photos on this one.
Gladys Briscoe.
And we're going to be giving the website in just a minute, but a couple of people here at Channel 4 said that last year, I don't know if it was last year or whenever, they were having some problems with them. They couldn't get them activated.
Not this particular one, but in the past, some of the gift cards have dwindled. They would reduce each month that you didn't use them. They've improved that. Consumers complained. And so you can go back to gift cards now, but be sure and ask when you get them. Make sure that there's no penalty if you don't use it each month or when you activate it.
All right, great advice. All right, let's start off with trim trim the list. This is one of your tips. What do you mean by that?
Okay, well, this year, you know, the budgets are a little bit tighter and the lists are a little bit shorter. But so when you trim the tree, trim your list and just get the essentials for the people that really mean the most with the most meaningful gifts. And then when you are deciding if you're going to be naughty or nice, one nice thing to do is to give your services. Make little coupons and say, I'll babysit or I'll cut your yard.
Is that the give of yourself?
That's give of yourself.
Okay. All right. Check your budget twice.
Because when you're checking your list twice, check your budget as well. And there's a great website called mint.com that is a fabulous free way to budget, and right there you see, you can just see what you're using, and it graphically tells you.
All right, that's a great, again, these are all on ArkansasMatters.com on the hot button, Christmas Ideas 2009. Use cash locally. So this is with the credit card problems that people have.
You spend less if you use cash. It's just been documented. It's proven with research, it does. And then you don't have those high credit card bills, and the interest has gone up on all the cards as the credit card rules are changing. Yeah. So they've increased the cost.
Let the internet help you shop. All right, here, and we have another website for that one as well.
This shopittome.com gives you all your brands that are on sale. So you go there, you click on your brand, and you look for the sales.
All right, smartshopperusa.com.
This is a little list. This is a product in itself, and it's a little list. There it is. And you can actually enter in. You can have two different lists: your list, his list, whatever. And then when you get ready, you can actually print it when you want to push that button right there.
We're going to come back and show you this little machine that you can buy,
and just print the print button right there.
You can print your list and
it'll come right out.
And this is a list shopping list.
It categorizes it. That's what I like. You know, if you put a bunch of items in, and then when it comes out, it's all in one category. So as you go around the store, you go to that section and that section, and your list is all together.
For the efficiency expert like I am, this would be a dream come true. All right, charitygiftcertificates.org is another website that you recommend.
Right, a lot of people, this is a good season to think about others and to give to charities, and there are so many different charities here that you can give a gift in honor of people, etc.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Yeah. And then last but not least is the giftcardlab.com, and that's where you get one of these cards. And I've done it before, and it's very simple.
It can be individuals, and I'll tell you what's been very popular on that site are corporate gifts. In other words, it's so flexible. People can spend them anywhere that a Visa is accepted, and you can put your logo on it, your company logo, and there's no minimum, there's no, and it's with bulk, you get a discount.
Okay.
So it's good.
Excellent. Wonderful ideas. Thank you so much. ArkansasMatters.com. Click on the hot button. You can find all this information.
Hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.
We'll be back.